In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate a Ventra card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you proper instructions on how to set up and use your Ventra card. After you acquire a Ventra card, it is going to be sent to you by mail, and you will need to register or activate the card before you are able to actually use it to board any buses. So, the best way to do this is going to be by calling a specific number. So when you turn your card around, usually that number will be listed, but if for whatever reason it doesn't contain the sticker or you don't have access to that number, as you can see, it is going to be listed on the official Ventra Chicago website. So you can go over to this page, how to activate your Ventra card. After it arrives by mail, just look for this page on Google and the number will be listed. So as you can clearly see, the number is 1-866-674-9215. So once again, all that you have to do is call this number listed here, 1-866-674-9215. After you call this with the phone number registered to your Ventra account, you will be able to enter the full Ventra card number and start using your card for transit. As far as I'm aware, you will not be able to get this process done online. If you are not able to call it from the number that is registered into your Ventra account, as you can see, you will need to enter your access code, and you can get your access code by logging in with your username and password. This is the only way that they list on activating the card, so to my knowledge, this isn't something that you will be able to do online through the website or the mobile app. You have to call them on this number listed here, and only then will you be able to activate the card. After this is done, you can download the mobile app, use it as a digital card if you prefer, which allows you to use your phone near the card reader to issue the payments instead. But to keep it simple, to actually use the card, either physical or digital, you will need to call them at 1-866-674-9215 with the phone number registered into your account and then include the full card number. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Ventra card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.